The world hasn't seen anything like it. Coming from the heart of the Arabian Peninsula, Muhammad changed the course of human history. In a time when darkness veiled the hearts of men, a beacon of light emerged from the sands of Arabia. Despite fierce opposition and persecution, Islam continued to flourish, fueled by the unwavering faith and dedication of its followers. Still to Mecca they come, mankind. The people of Islam dressed in their pilgrim white. All equal before God, all united in this place of prayer. Each individual soul joined in a community of worship. One God.
I can say the main religious and belief of Muslim is the five pillars of Islam. The first one is you have the Shahada, or the faith declaration. You are declaring the one God, which is Allah, and His messenger as Muhammad. And the second one is you have Salah, or prayer. You are performing daily prayers, 5 times daily prayers. And for the third one, we have the Sadaqah, or the charity. You are giving this to those who is in need. And for the fourth one, we have the Shaum, or the fasting. And the fifth one is we have the Hajj. You need to at least one time to go in Mecca, or if it is possibly financially possible.
So for the second question, what are the traditional Muslim clothing styles?
So the traditional Muslim clothing style is that when you are going to use a hijab and also the abaya. So every Muslim is actually need to use that, because that is commonly we used to have that clothing style, because you will recognize as Muslim if you are wearing abaya and hijab.
What are some unique cultural practices of Muslims?
So the unique cultural practices of Muslim is the prayer, because we are actually we need to perform daily salah, and also the charity, giving to those who is in need. So I think it is the best. You can say it's the best unique part of being Muslim.
How do Muslims people celebrate important life events like weddings or births?
I can say maybe when celebrating, actually birthday is not the we are not actually celebrating birthday, because it's not for us Muslim. We believe that it's not that probably important when it comes to Muslim. But in wedding, I can say every family of each member, out of those member who is having a wedding, we are actually to have a what we call parang pagsalo-salo. Yes. And for the celebration style, we used to cook different types of food. Yes, especially halal food, like cow for those as a present for the wedding for the groom and bride.
So what are the traditional Bisaya clothing styles?
So the traditional Bisaya clothing style that I've known is in the women are the kimona, which is a traditional blouse with intricate embroidery and pinya fabric. Then the patajong, a colorful stripe or plaid skirt wrapped around the waist. Then the tapis, it is a type of apron or overskirt worn over the patajong. Then
What are some unique cultural practices of Bisaya?
some unique cultural practices of Bisaya is in their festivals and celebrations, the Sinolog Festival, the Pentados Festival, the Mascara Festival. Then in traditional practices, there are some courtship rituals, then ancestors worship and the folk medicine. Then in cuisine, there are lechon, sinigang, and kakanin.
We all know that Muslim and Bisaya have a significant difference when it comes to clothing style, especially traditional one. On what I have observed, Muslim wear hijab while Bisaya, the same with others, are not. And and also, we can see that traditional Muslim clothing emphasizes modesty, and according to my Muslim friend, it is called abaya. Furthermore, there are various traditional Muslim clothing style for the reason Muslims have different tribes. The common traditional Muslim clothing style are sablay and abaya, and that's also according to my friend. In contrast to Bisaya traditional clothing style is that Muslim wear kimono and men wear barong. Furthermore, Bisaya traditional clothing is still modest but not really practiced nowadays, unlike to Muslim traditional clothing that we can still see them wearing it until now.